Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite meals. We're making honey garlic baked chicken drumsticks. This is so easy peasy, packed with flavor and very delicious. All ingredients and measurements will be in the description box. Let's get started. We're using chicken drumsticks for this recipe, and I've gone ahead and arranged them in my cast iron pan. First, we're going to season the chicken with salt and black pepper to taste. Next, mince up a whole onion, then sprinkle that all over the chicken. We're going to set this aside for later, then put together the honey garlic sauce. In this bowl, we have some olive oil. We're going to add some melted butter, some honey. We're also adding minced garlic, brown sugar, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, some Dijon mustard, and last we're adding some white wine vinegar and red pepper flakes. Go ahead and mix everything together very well, then pour the honey garlic sauce all over the chicken drumsticks. Toss and coat the chicken in the honey garlic sauce very well. Then we're going to let the chicken marinate in the sauce for between 8 to 24 hours. That way they can soak in all the flavors very well. So cover the chicken with a lid and keep it in the fridge for the time being. After the chicken has finished marinating for a couple of hours, it's time to get cooking. Make sure your oven is preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken into the oven to bake for 45 to 50 minutes. My chicken has baked for exactly 50 minutes. I'm going to take it out and place it over my stove top. We're going to thicken the sauce on the chicken over the stove, so make sure your heat is turned to high heat. Then let the sauce cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it thickens. Make sure you baste the chicken while the sauce is thickening. And this is the chicken when it's all done. The aroma is so delicious. This will make your home smell really good. The sauce has thickened. This meal will pair really well with some white rice. The chicken is tender, juicy, delicious, and flavorful. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.